Got a pretty amazing showing today, this afternoon. Little duck with me right here. There's Candace. Candace is having some emotional issues. I'm not sure why she's acting out, but she's been acting out. This baby right here in front right here has injuries. And Candace has not been very nice to her because I've been trying to give her food. And Candace doesn't like that. I don't think it's against the baby. She just is jealous. And we have a bunch over there. We have lots and lots and lots of different ducks, crows, geese, seagulls, ringbills. Lots of different guys today. Hi, goose. There's an injured goose that was alone over here for a bit, and now she got her friends come back for her. But they keep on leaving without her and then coming back later. The ducks are up by my stroller. So that's what's going on. There's a lot of animals right now. Where did Candace just go to? Oh, she's all the way over there. She's all the way over there. I'm not sure why she's acting out. I feel like there must be something wrong because she hasn't been coming up to me and she's getting really jealous of food, and I don't know if she's really upset that everybody else, her friends probably migrated and she got left behind. And all of these other ringbills and stuff aren't her species. But then she's got all these babies that are hanging out without parents because Candace there's not very many adult seagulls here, adult glaucous gulls that have been around for the last week or so. There's only been a couple. So, it looks like, oh look, the injured baby has an apple. She actually got an apple. So proud. She's trying to hold up. But her wing is messed up. It's just super messed up. It's really sad. I don't know if that's Candace's baby and she's really upset. Candace, what's going on with you? Hi, Candace. Hey, Candace, you're a good girl. You're gonna have a nice day today. Come here. How come you haven't been coming up to me? She's been staying away. She's been really upset. I'm not sure what happened to her. Candace. Something happened right after I was posting about her online. Like somebody came up and messed with her.